So the plan today is to go another, I think, mile and a half to a spring that I didn't get to last night because it was all uphill. If you look at this behind me, like it goes here and way off in the distance and just keeps going and keeps going. Yeah, by the time I got to here, I was like, okay, I found this place to camp. I'm just gonna camp. The sun's going down and I'm tired of going uphill. So I'm gonna do another 1.5 miles uphill to get to a spring. And then it's basically 2 days. If I do 20 mile days, it's 2 days to Hikertown, which is apparently like another hostel or something. So that's where we're heading, and hopefully we'll see lots more views like this, which I just probably opened with, but I got the camp right here, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, let's get going. So I'm packed up, and I was just gonna let you know what goes through your head. What goes through my head is I want to sit here and drink a cup of coffee and just like enjoy this view. But unfortunately, there's another element. If you look over here, that's the direction I'm going. That's the, can I point the camera? Ooh, right there's the path. And that's the sun. And I'm walking through the desert. So right now it's about 7 o'clock, and honestly, I should have gotten up at like 5 o'clock. And that sun is just cresting over this hill that I happen to sleep on. And as soon as it does, it's gonna get real hot real fast, and I should already be packed up and moving. I've already had a few situations where I've been in the tent when the sun hit my tent, and then the tent just instantly heated up like an oven. So I'm pretty much packed. I'm just gonna put my hat on and get rolling. But all I'm trying to say is, mentally, I would love to sit here and have a cup of coffee and just look at this view. Physically, I gotta get out of here before the sun gets me. It's like that level in Super Mario Brothers where the sun is like floating around and it comes down and it tries to kill you. It's like that. All right, check this out. This is what I was talking about in the video about the fire, all the burned trees. Can you see over here that this is all desert? And then suddenly there's a straight line and there's all the trees, right? So when this catches fire, it's gonna hit this, right? It's like kindling almost. Pretty crazy though, the way that it's just a straight line of trees and suddenly forest. Yep, see? Suddenly I'm in the woods. There's leaves on the ground, the temperature just dropped. Look at this, like a tunnel of trees. It's kind of incredible how you just go from desert to trees, and then back to desert, back to trees. Welcome to mile 466, cache not maintained. Please crush plastic bottles. Let's see. All right, look at all this. Wow, there's like a lot. Each of these is 5 gallons, so it's like 10, 20, 30, 40.
Yeah, this thing is awesome.
It's like 70 gallons worth of water. Thank you, whoever put this here. Also, there's some trail magic, I think, in here.
Yeah.
Got a banana, and I think there's a tangerine.
Yeah.
Nice. I think I might have a banana. Sweet. I'm not 100% sure what's going on, but there's a helicopter hovering like right there. Just hanging out. Oh, it's maneuvering something. Huh. Neat. Oh. Whatever it was, it looks like it dropped it off and now it's flying away with an empty piece of rope or cable or whatever. Huh.
I did the drop trail, which is like goes through Forester Pass and stuff. And like it was the same way. Like everyone's like, "Oh, Forester Pass, you're gonna die, man." Like,
These ants got some trail magic. Look at that.
Yeah.
Are they two marking? Is that two ants?
No, one is on the chip, telling the other one to pull harder.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm walking away from trail magic from Nitro and Bird. You see it back there with the car. I definitely indulged. I showed up around 3 o'clock. It's now 5:30 and I'm walking away. I got vortexed a little bit, but holy cow, what a fun team. They're both hikers. One of them's going for a triple crown this year. And yeah, I rolled in and there was a bunch of people I knew, and then they started filtering out and I was like, it's still too hot, I'm not going anywhere. And then another round of people that I knew rolled in. So good times. I've done 16 miles today. It's like 5:30. I'm gonna do another 4 at least to round it out to 20. And that's gonna put me at, let's see, it's gonna put me at 480. So tomorrow I'll do another 20 and hit 500. And then after that, I'll do 17 more and get to Hiker Town. So my plan is 4 more miles this evening, 20 tomorrow, 17 the next day. Wow, I just wanted to take a look. Like down here is the road that I was just on. You can see this car going by. If you look at this hill, right cutting through the center, you can see the trail that I walked. So all the way from over here, all the way around that hill, and then it started cutting down to that road. And that's where I ran into Nitro and Bird and all their trail magic. And now I'm on the opposite side of the road, and it's the opposite thing. You can see this trail right here starting to cut up, and we're gonna start going up. Well, I guess I'm not going over there. Looks like I'm going this way, up in this direction. And if you haven't seen it in a while, here's a close-up of the Pacific Crest Trail. That's their logo. Here's a beautiful one. So I just set up camp, and today I've got a new record. I went 23.8 miles, so almost 24. And that means tomorrow I'll go about 20, and the day after I'll go, I don't know, less than 15 to get to Hiker Town. So it's nice. It was actually like the sun started setting and the temperature's perfect. Like right now the temperature is perfect. So I'm really glad that I got to hike a lot tonight. So till tomorrow, good night.